They're located on the roof of a municipal passenger transport, where we've placed 150 kilowatts of PV panels. The exposure of the panels is specifically designed to produce the most energy throughout the year.
Имаме източни, западни и южни наклони, които допринасят за производство от рано сутринта до късно вечерта, а също така и южното разположение допринася до по-голямо производство през зимата. Сега ще ви
We have
запознаем с
eastern,
някои от детайлите
western and southern
по
slopes,
изграждането на
which
централата.
contribute to production from early morning to late evening, and also the southern location contributes to greater production in winter. Now, we will introduce you to some of the details of the construction of the power plant.
Покрива, а не да бъде просто поставена и в един момент изместена от силни ветрове и силни дъждове. Защитата, която сме изградили и заземяването на централата е направена на бетонови блокчета, също с цел да не продупчваме покрива и той да не бъде компрометиран. Конструкцията, която сме подбрали, е също с затежняване. Това означава, че не се компрометира покрива.
We have placed the electric grid on concrete blocks so that there can be better drainage, and accordingly will be firmly attached to the roof and not simply placed and at some point displaced by strong winds and heavy rains. The lightning protection that we have built for the grounding of the power plant is made on concrete blocks also in order not to produce the roof and have it compromised. The structure we have chosen is also weighted. This means that the roof is not compromised and it is not drilled to attach the panels or the structure itself. What we have used are concrete blocks that are specifically designed and sized for the location of the site and for the winds and shear loads it will withstand. This means that a designer has calculated the exact weighting that is needed for this type of structure so that it does not blow away in stronger winds. The panels are located east-west, as I explained to you a moment ago, to make better production from early morning to late evening. The other structure that we used is a tin roof structure. Of course, all parts of the structures are anti-corrosion for durability and aluminum for greater durability over time and not to rust. What we have used is an aluminum profile, which is 9 centimeters, so that it can lift the panels from the sheet metal, so that they have good cooling and are firmly attached to the base. Each element and each mass of the structure is connected to a grounding loop, which we lead from the side of the building along the facade to a grounding, which is built for the grounding of the entire site, which is then, of course, checked by a licensed laboratory and all necessary protocols are issued. As always, we also care about aesthetics when building a remote installation. As you can see here, absolutely every single detail and every single installation is meticulously executed and arranged. In addition to the grills that I told you are on tubes, you can see the way the grounding installation is built. You can see the corrugated pipes that are used for the places where it is sunnier between the panels. Each corrugated pipe, respectively, is protected so that it can hold it for a longer time and not rot.
Гофрираните тръби, които са използвани за местата, където е по-слънчево между панелите. Всяка една гофрирана тръба съответно е защитена, UV защитена, за да може да издържи по-дълго време и да не изгние.
As you can see, every single detail of the construction is a tight fit and efficiency. Here I can show you the place where we go down the building and we will go to the panels, which are the DC panels that I showed you a moment ago. The colleagues have prepared the DC cables, which, accordingly, they will put in separate corrugated pipes and will lead to the panels themselves for protection against preload and lightning strikes in the structure.
Отделни гофрирани тръби и ще подведат до самите табла за защита от пренатоварване и попадане на мълния в конструкцията.